Welcome, my ultimate music teacher friends. You are about to learn tip number 1 of the top 10 tips. This is the final tip and exactly what you need to know before you start thinking about teaching music theory. It's truly what determines our success as educators. And I'm about to share it with you right now so you can implement this tip into your music teaching studio. My name is Glory St. Germain. I'm the founder of Ultimate Music Theory, and we are a one-stop shop with a complete music theory workbook system and Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator program that is exclusively for teachers, walking you through from where you are now, wherever that might be for you, and having a positive, purposeful, and profitable teaching business. So visit us at musicbusinessmastery.live and sign up for our 3-day live music teacher training. Now, I've been a music teacher for over 30 years, and during that time, I've collected a vast amount of information that I share here on our Ultimate Music Theory YouTube channel, just for you. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little bell icon so that you never miss an upcoming episode. In teaching tip number 2, you met Natalia Dolinsky and heard how she implemented these teaching tips into her music studio with massive success. Today's teaching tip number 1 is exclusively for teachers who are interested in teaching music theory more effectively and profitably. How to help your students translate the language of music theory into their musicianship skills, so that others can benefit from your teaching. Your teaching is providing massive knowledge and a skill set that students will have forever. So let's dive into teaching tip number 1 of 10. Tip number 1 is profitability and productivity. Profitability is the driving force of any business, including your music teaching business. The key to profitability is implementing strategies for managing costs, for increasing your income per hour without increasing your teaching time, and for maintaining a steady and long-term financial growth plan. Productivity is essential to increase efficiency in your teaching business. Innovation is the first step that can lead to higher productivity, teaching online or if you're teaching in person. And using a variety of teaching methods, offering music lessons, group music theory club classes, perhaps you're offering themed music camps, and staying really current with the latest trends in music education while continuing with your own professional development. As a music teaching business owner, profitability is essential in order to remain open for business so we can provide music lessons at the highest level. As a music teacher, we create a culture of productivity in music education for sustainable development with our students in building knowledge, in their musicianship skills, and also in building confidence with a positive mental attitude. And I believe that there are 2 essential strategies that must be shared in living our best life. First, your profitability as a music teacher is essential to living your best life. Profitability enables you to focus on running your business successfully with a solid growth plan. So what's your ultimate plan to ensure profitability for your music teaching business? Second, your productivity is a direct reflection on the success of your teaching. Productivity plays a critical role in the symphony of life to orchestrate a multi-layer of activities in managing your teaching techniques. So what productivity strategies will you implement into the world of music education? The ultimate quote is, profitability comes from loyalty, productivity, and a character base from which to work. That says it all, right? One of our Ultimate Music Theory certified teachers, Cindy Van Aragon, achieved first class honors with distinction in the Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program. She invested in herself. She focused on profitability and productivity to build a successful music teaching business with Ultimate Music Theory Club classes. Cindy shared how the UMTC Elite Educator Program has changed her life as a musician and teacher. It has given her the resources to teach, the knowledge to build her confidence, and the tools to grow her business. In Cindy's own words, she said, "Thank you, Glory, for making your dream of equipping teachers to become successful a reality. You have a forward growth mindset, and you have organized your program well. It deserves to be a university level course for music majors. No one teaches you how to run a business when you graduate, and you've done that for me. Thank you, Cindy." The reason for her success? Cindy runs her teaching as a business with profitability and productivity. By implementing the systems to elevate your income, impact your teaching, and grow your expert music teaching business. And all of this is inside our UMTC Elite Educator Program. As you explore your profitability and productivity, think about how you can fast track your business and quickly achieve next level learning to become an Ultimate Music Theory certified teacher and elite educator. Discover the possibilities of what's waiting for you inside. In fact, I'm inviting you to our teacher training. This 3-day Music Business Mastery live event will be a game changer for you and your music teaching business. You will learn the exact systems that you need to elevate your income, impact your teaching, and grow your expert music teaching business. So get registered now at musicbusinessmastery.live. Till next time, I'm Glory St. Germain. Teach with passion.